Some long sound has OTE ending letters. The sound is oat. Oat. Please repeat, children. Oat. 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 Note. Note. Oat. Oat. Vote. Vote. Oat. Oat. Wrote. Wrote. Note. Vote. Wrote. Good job! Some long O ends in OAST letters. The sound is oast. Oast. Please repeat, children. Oast. 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 Roast. Roast. Oast. Oast. Toast. Toast. Oast. Oast. Coast. Coast. Roast. Toast. Coast. Some long O ends in OW letters. The sound is O. O. Please repeat, children. O. 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 Row. Row. O. O. Toe. Toe. O. O. So. So. Row. Toe. So. That's great, children. Some long O ends in OE letters. The sound is O. O. Please repeat, children. O. D. O. D. O. Do. Do. T. O. T. O. Toe. Toe. Ob. O. Ob. O. Obo. Obo. Do. Toe. Obo. Keep it up, children. See you around.